Hey, so check this out, man. This is like a really cool way to think of like playing the major scale. This I'm playing all this in G major, but instead of, whichever, scale shape that you learned it, I'm kind of like thinking of it here as like breaking it up almost like two strings or just kind of going up diagonally through the scale. And I'll have the tab up here or whatever, but you can kind of follow along. I'll start here on the 3rd fret, 5th, 7th. Then I'll do 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th. Then 5th, 7th. I'm going 9, 10. So that's 7, 9, 11, 12. Back to the root. 10, 12, 13, 15, 12, 14, 15. And in the run, I would get to this major 7th and kind of bend to the root. And then just to kind of put a little tag at the end of the run, but excuse me. It's pretty useful, it's fun, just to warm up or, kind of like run through like different lines, on the guitar. One thing I've kind of been working on is kind of like legato runs within there. So I'm like, I pluck up on the string, but then I'll pull off 15 to 14 down to 12. And then I'll pluck down on the B string at the 15th fret and pull off 15 to 13 to 12. Kind of hit a sour note there. Keep throwing in this C sharp here. Kind of like think of like that as like the evil note, the tritone. It's just the 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the flatted 5th note against the root. There's a cool part in the Jimi Hendrix Star Spangled Banner where in the solo where he kind of does like that kind of siren sound. It always makes me I hear that kind of sound in there. Like an imminent danger. So anyways, back to what I was talking about here. So I'm going root, major 2nd, major 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, major 7. That'd be my root again if I were to continue that way. Then I'm going root, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, which is my C. Then here I'm going, this is my 5th, 6th, major 7, root. Then I'm going my 2nd, just kind of following through the scale like root, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. That's F. That'd be my 6th, E, F sharp to G. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, give me a subscribe. Take care.